Protein is an essential building block of life. It is needed for virtually every function in your body, from maintaining strong muscles to supporting a healthy immune system. Yet many people do not get enough of it, or they get too much of it from the wrong sources. Hi, I'm Valerie, a wellness nurse. I believe that no matter your age or current health status, that you have the power to take charge of your well-being and live a longer, healthier life. My goal is to share with you the knowledge and tools that will empower you to make that happen. In this video, I am focusing on an important step in your health journey, optimizing your protein choices. Protein is critical for maintaining strength, mobility, and overall vitality. I will be covering why protein is so important, how to make the best choices, and what to consider when it comes to quality and balance. Protein supplies your body with amino acids, which are the building blocks that your body needs to repair and maintain tissues, including muscle, skin, and even organs. It also plays a major role in immune function, helping your body fight off infections. One of the most important reasons to prioritize protein is its role in maintaining and building muscle. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, making us more prone to weakness, fatigue, and even injury. This is why getting enough protein is crucial, not just for athletes or bodybuilders, but for everyone who wants to stay strong, active, and independent for years to come. Muscle is often referred to as the longevity organ because having more lean muscle mass is linked to a longer, healthier life. Strong muscles support joint health, protect bones, and even helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of metabolic diseases like diabetes. And it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. The protein you eat should come from sources that provide the nutrients your body needs without causing excess inflammation. Not all protein is created equal. While all proteins provide the amino acids needed to build muscle, some protein promotes health and longevity, while others can contribute to inflammation and chronic disease when consumed in excess. To help visualize this, I'll put up a chart on the screen showing a continuum of protein sources from the most inflammatory to the most health supporting. On the one end of the spectrum are processed meats like deli meats, bacon, and sausage. These are all linked to serious health risks, including an increased risk of heart disease and cancer. They contain high levels of preservatives and compounds called advanced glycation end products. These advanced glycation end products contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Processed meats are linked to an increased risk of many chronic diseases. In fact, consuming just 2 ounces of processed meat per day has been shown to greatly increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Processed meat has also been classified as a carcinogen, increasing the risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and breast cancer. If you currently rely on processed meats for convenience, please consider swapping them out for fresh, whole protein sources whenever possible. Now, all animal protein is going to fall on the less healthy end of the scale. However, you can choose healthier options. Leaner cuts of meat like skinless poultry and lean cuts of beef or pork tend to be less inflammatory than fattier cuts. Fatty cuts of red meat in particular contain higher amounts of saturated fat, which have been linked to increased inflammation and a higher risk of heart disease when consumed in excess. If you do eat red meat, opting for leaner cuts like sirloin or tenderloin and keeping portions moderate can help reduce its impact on your health. 1 serving of meat is only 3 to 4 ounces, or about the size of a deck of cards. If continuing to eat animal-based protein, choosing leaner sources like poultry without the skin and fish will result in a more health-promoting diet. Ultimately, the goal is to make informed choices, balancing animal proteins with plenty of plant foods to optimize overall health and longevity. The way meat is sourced and prepared also matters. Conventionally raised meats tend to be higher in pro-inflammatory compounds, while pasture-raised and grass-fed options have a better nutrient profile. And how you cook your protein is just as important. Grilling or frying at high temperatures can produce compounds that contribute to inflammation, while gentler cooking methods like baking, steaming, or slow cooking help retain nutrients while minimizing inflammatory byproducts. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies are excellent protein sources that also provide anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support brain health, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. Because of this, these fish fall on the healthier end of the protein spectrum. Remember the acronym SMASH to identify the best fish to consume: salmon, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, and herring. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, quinoa, and tofu are also health promoting. They provide protein along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support gut health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Research consistently shows that incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet can reduce inflammation, improve metabolic health, and support longevity. Many people find that incorporating more plant-based proteins into their diet helps them feel lighter, more energized, and reduces inflammation. Protein powders can be a convenient way to meet your daily protein needs, but it's important to choose wisely. Many commercial protein powders contain artificial sweeteners, fillers, and other additives that may do more harm than good. If you choose to use a protein supplement, look for options with minimal ingredients such as hemp, pea, or grass-fed whey protein. And remember, whole food sources of protein should always be your foundation. Protein powders should just act as a supplement. Your protein needs depend on factors like age, activity level, and overall health. As a general rule, most older adults should aim for around 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram. For example, someone who weighs 150 pounds should aim for about 70 to 100 grams of protein per day. This can come from a mix of plant and animal sources, ensuring a variety of nutrients while keeping inflammation in check. Getting enough protein is easier than you might think when you include a variety of sources. A 3-ounce serving of chicken provides about 26 grams of protein, while a 3-ounce portion of salmon gives you around 22 grams, along with those beneficial omega-3 fats. Even plant-based sources can offer significant amounts. Lentils contain about 18 grams of protein per cup, and black beans provide around 15 grams per cup. Whole grains can also contribute to your daily protein intake. Quinoa, for instance, has 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, making it one of the highest protein grains. Farro provides around 6 grams per cup, and oats offers roughly 5 grams per half cup serving. Rather than focusing on just one type of protein, the best approach is to get a mix of sources throughout the day. Combining protein-rich vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds can ensure that you meet your needs while also getting the benefits of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. It is certainly possible to meet your protein needs with just plant-based sources. Optimizing your protein intake is not about following rigid rules or making drastic changes overnight. It's about making thoughtful choices that support long-term health and vitality. By incorporating high-quality protein sources and minimizing more inflammatory options, you're taking an important step toward building strength, resilience, and overall well-being. As always, the goal is progress over perfection. Every positive change you make adds up over time. If you're in my Thrive in 25 program, be sure to check your materials for additional resources on optimizing your protein intake. And if you're not currently in the program but want to learn more, you will find a link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please take good care of yourself.